Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn how to do paraphrasing, how to paraphrase, a sentence, how to paraphrase an article and how to paraphrase a paragraph. So welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and don't forget to press bell button so you can get my latest and informative videos notification easily. So watch this video till end, as this video is going to be very useful, trust me. Let's start this video. First, what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is, in simple words, writing a sentence or paragraph in your own words. Simple as that. Let's take example. The aim of this study is to examine the impact of employee motivation with employee performance. It's a sentence and how we will rephrase it. Present research purpose is to study the employee motivation with employee performance. So it was example how to do a paraphrasing. Now let's continue. Now let's learn how to do paraphrasing. Point number 1. Make key points. When you are reading an article, a thesis, or a sentence or a paragraph, always keep one thing in your mind and make key points with it. Just for example, how you make key point. For example, you're reading a paragraph of a research paper or thesis. Make a first key point is of definition. What definition they are telling in this? Write that in your own words. Then number 2, the purpose of that particular paragraph. Then the method they are discussing, then the results they are discussing, and the variable they are discussing. So make small bullet points of these 5 to 6 things, and then after reading the paragraph, start writing that in your own words. As one example of a paragraph, as you can see, it's a study done in England by Brendan 2013 insists on the need for proper key performance indicators and having a staffed and competent contract management team in relation to procurement contract management. Now it's an example, it's a paragraph which I just read. So what you have to do here, read this paragraph and make small bullet points worthy of understanding these 3 lines. It's simple as that. Point number 2, use synonyms. Very important. You want to do rephrasing, or you want to remove plagiarism, or you want to avoid plagiarism, then use synonyms. How you use synonyms? Let's see. For example, you want to use synonyms for this word present. What you will do, you will click on right side, go to synonyms and click on it, and then it will show you a new bar in which it's written different synonyms such as current, contemporary, present day, existing, etc. So one thing you have to keep in mind when you are using synonyms, and that, for example, you are using present, you want to find present words synonyms, so you have to make sure that the word which you will replace with present also have the same meaning. How? For example, present is a word, so I want to use synonyms current. Both meanings are same, so I can easily replace present by current. It will avoid no plagiarism, and it will automatically have a paraphrase that word as well. So moving to the next point, point number 3, compare your sentence with original sentence. When you have rephrased your sentence, don't forget to compare it with original sentence, as it will help you to see how many words are left, what are the differences between the paragraphs left. So if there are some 1 or 2 words skipped, you haven't rephrased them, so after comparing both sentences you can easily rephrase it as well. Let me give an example. The original sentence, the aim of the study is to examine the impact of job satisfaction with employee performance. And how you will rephrase sentence, present research purpose is to study the job satisfaction with employee performance. So now you have 2 sentences, original and paraphrased sentence. So what you have to do is to compare both sentences and see how many words are still same, both have same. So if you found any same word, then change them, and your sentence will be paraphrased automatically. Point number 4, read paragraph or sentence many times. Please read paragraph or sentence, at least read it 2 to 3 times, or should say 4 times. So after reading it, you will understand it and then you will write it easily in your own words. As an example here, contract management entails a process of efficient and systematic management of contract creation, implementation, and analysis in order to maximize financial and operational performance as well as minimize risks. So if it's a paragraph, you have to rephrase it. So what you have to do first, read it 3 to 4 times. What will be the advantage of reading it 3 to 4 times? That it will help you more to understand this paragraph, and it will be more easily for you to write this paragraph into your own words. And don't forget to give citation at the end or at the start of the sentence. It's totally on you. Next point we have is change sentence structure. Very important. Yes, change your sentence structure from active voice to passive voice. Just example, nowadays people use social media a lot, is active voice. Here the subject is social media and sporting words are nowadays people. So how you will use passive, how you will convert into passive word, passive voice, how you will convert active voice into passive voice? It's simple. Currently people have been using social media more rapidly than before. So you can clearly see that both tenses are changed totally. The original one was in active voice, so I changed it into passive voice and it's automatically paraphrased. So the advantage of this is that it will avoid my plagiarism will be reduced and my sentence will be automatically paraphrased and it's written in my own words. Point number 6, break paragraph into smaller sentence. Very important. For example, if you are reading an article or a thesis and there is a paragraph which has lines of 5 to 6 or more than 6 to 8, so what you have to do is break that into small sentences. 1 or 2 more will probably be enough, or 3 will be best. So let me give an example. Break into sentences like 1, 2. As you can see, one sentence divided into 2 and is written easily. So you can rephrase that sentences easily. Point number 7, write without looking at the main text. A simple point. When you are rephrasing a paragraph, okay, first you have to read it. After reading it and understanding it, that paragraph, what you have to do is that keep that main source away and start writing your own words without looking at the main text, what it's written over there. Don't copy it from there. So next point we have, point number 8 is use citations. Very important. Use citations when you are paraphrasing because they are very important. They will help you in avoiding your plagiarism and reducing your plagiarism. You can use citations at the start of the paragraph and at the end of the sentence as well. So next and the last point is first sentence. You will be now confused. What do you mean by first sentence? First sentence means here is that when you are rephrasing a paragraph, okay, so start with the first tense. How you will start first tense? Use a different sentence. Start from a different point of view, or use a new point of view, or start generally. That's the best way to start a paragraph when you are paraphrasing it. Okay, start with generally. Start, for example, like nowadays, currently people are doing. Modern era says that current studies, many study like that. Start like that. Don't do that one thing, which is that, for example, you have paragraph and you start rephrasing it from start to bottom. No, that's not the right way. Right way is that start the first sentence with different unique point and then come back to the original context or original sentence and start rephrasing in words, as it will help you in rephrasing easily and avoiding the plagiarism as well. So I hope you like this video. Today's video, I hope you liked it. You learned how to do paraphrasing. So if you learned about paraphrasing, then do like my video. If you didn't learn the paraphrasing, then do dislike my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative and useful videos. And please give your suggestion in the comment box, so I will improve my video quality in my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching.